How to turn off photos you're tagged in notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off photos you're tagged in notifications on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite, and here you will find your profile in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find settings, and then click this one, notifications, and then post, stories and comments, and here you will find it, photos of you. Now just select off, and that's it. Now photos of you have been disabled. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.